Hi friends, I am Sriveda of 10th standard. Now I am going to explain the fourth lesson in physics, that is refraction of light at curved surfaces. Fourth lesson, refraction of light at curved surfaces. In this chapter, I am going to explain about refraction. Refraction means the bending property of the light ray is known as refraction. The bending property of light ray. The bending property of light ray. The bending property of the light ray is known as refraction. Now I am going to explain about another topic, that is lenses. Lenses are formed when a transparent material is bounded by two surfaces. These are formed when the transparent material is bounded by two surfaces. Lenses means it is formed when the transparent material is bounded by two surfaces. Now I am going to explain some of the lenses. First one is biconvex lens. Or double convex lens. This is the shape of biconvex lens or double convex lens. It is a lens having two surfaces bulging outward is known as biconvex lens or double convex lens. It is thicker at its middle when compared to its edges. It is thicker at its middle and thinner at its edges. Second one. It is biconcave lens. Or double concave lens. It is the shape of biconcave lens or double concave lens. It is having two curved surfaces. Curved inward is known as biconcave lens or double concave lens. It is thinner at its middle when compared to its edges. It is thinner at its middle and thicker at its edges. Now third one. It is plano-convex lens. This is the shape of plano-convex lens. It is having one plane surface and a curved surface bulging outward is known as plano-convex lens. Next, fourth one. It is the plano-concave lens. It is having one plane surface and a curved surface. Curved inward is known as plano-concave lens. Now fifth one. It is concavo-convex lens. Concave or convex lens means the lens having two curved surfaces and one curved surface is curved inward and one curved surface is bulged outward is known as concave or convex lens.
Hi friends, this is Pravalika studying 10th class of Navodaya High School. Now I am going to explain the topic of lenses. First let us draw two spheres. Here in the middle we can find out the biconvex lens. Every lens with curved surface will contain a imaginary circle. The center of the circle, this point is known as center of curvature. Denoted by the letter C. Here there are two center of curvatures, so we take this as C1 and this point as C2. The distance from center of curvature to the curved surface is known as radius of curvature. Radius of curvature. Radius of curvature is denoted by the letter R. Here there are two radius of curvatures, so we take this as R1 and this as R2. The distance between C1 and C2 is called principal axis. And the center point of a thin lens is called optic center or pole, denoted by letter P. Optic center or pole. This is the terminology used in study of lenses. You should learn all these 4 words. Thank you.